Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to join our community of health and fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face: losing their butt while gaining a belly. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some valuable tips and insights to help you get that toned and lifted butt while keeping your belly in check. Have you ever experienced losing your butt while gaining a belly? It's a common issue that many people face, and it can be frustrating and challenging to deal with. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why this happens and offer tips on how to prevent it from happening. Sedentary lifestyle. One of the primary reasons why people lose their butt while gaining a belly is due to a sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for extended periods can cause the gluteal muscles to weaken and lose their shape, leading to a loss of the buttocks' firmness and fullness. Furthermore, a sedentary lifestyle often results in an increase in belly fat, as it reduces the number of calories burned throughout the day. Aging. Aging is another reason why people lose their butt while gaining a belly. As we age, our body's metabolism slows down, leading to a decrease in the number of calories burned at rest. Furthermore, hormonal changes, such as a decline in estrogen levels, can also affect how fat is distributed in the body. In women, this can cause fat to accumulate around the abdomen, leading to a loss of the buttocks' fullness. Lack of exercise. Lack of exercise can also lead to a loss of the butt while gaining a belly. When we don't exercise regularly, our muscles begin to atrophy, leading to a decrease in muscle mass. This decrease in muscle mass affects the size and shape of our gluteal muscles, leading to a loss of the buttocks' fullness. Additionally, a lack of exercise can cause an increase in belly fat, which can further exacerbate the issue. Poor diet. A poor diet can also contribute to a loss of the butt while gaining a belly. When we eat a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, our body stores excess fat around our midsection. This can lead to a loss of the buttocks' fullness and firmness while gaining belly fat. Genetics. Genetics can also play a role in why people lose their butt while gaining a belly. Some people are predisposed to store more fat in their midsection, while others store more fat in their buttocks and hips. While we can't change our genetics, we can make lifestyle changes to minimize their effects. How to prevent losing your butt while gaining a belly. Exercise regularly. To prevent a loss of the butt while gaining a belly, it's essential to exercise regularly. Resistance training, such as weightlifting or bodyweight exercises, can help to build and strengthen the gluteal muscles, leading to a fuller and firmer butt. Additionally, cardio exercise, such as running or cycling, can help to burn excess belly fat, leading to a more defined waistline. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is crucial for preventing a loss of the butt while gaining a belly. Incorporate whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to an increase in belly fat. Stay active throughout the day. To prevent a loss of the butt while gaining a belly, it's essential to stay active throughout the day. Take breaks from sitting and stand up and stretch periodically. Consider walking or cycling to work instead of driving, or take the stairs instead of the elevator. By staying active throughout the day, you'll burn more calories and prevent the loss of muscle mass in your gluteal muscles. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for preventing a loss of the butt while gaining a belly. When we carry excess weight, It can cause a loss of muscle mass in our gluteal muscles, leading to a loss of firmness and fullness in our buttocks. Additionally, excess weight can contribute to an increase in belly fat, further exacerbating the issue. By maintaining a healthy weight, we can minimize the effects of aging and genetics and prevent a loss of the butt while gaining a belly. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful in preventing a loss of your butt while gaining a belly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from this information. And of course, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.